All right. I see Lou agree. How about the rest? Okay, so we have this Liu agree, Terry, Leroy, Anthony, Dennis. Okay, all right. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for the support. Eric, thank you. All right, so with that is all right. I'm gonna go into this segment whereby I always tell you that, recap of what I share in the market versus what happened. So yesterday I did a very scary prediction, okay? What I did was that I tell people that if the Dow Jones is a 4, it will come down to one number. And the number I gave specifically, I don't know whether you remember this number. The number I gave was 34,592. I gave a specific figure of 692, sorry. Yeah, right again. I said that if the market is to come down, right, the Dow Jones will come down to 34,692. That means that I was looking at the market to drop by at least 200 points from where we were yesterday. Now, do note the market was already down by about 400 points when we were talking during our segment here itself. So why do I say that itself? Because the technical tells me that, and of course I did a mathematics for you, and if the selling do go crazy enough, the next 2 weeks, the market may even drop to 33,540. So all these are shared during the MAO, right? Remember? Okay, so with that itself, right, what actually happened? Let's take a look. The market really came down lower and triggered 34,591, or 591, okay? So it was 591, that means it was 300 points correct, sorry. Okay, so the thing is this, I forecast the market to go down, and the time was 34,845. I forecast it will go down to 34,591. So I was right. And of course, the Dow did go down even lower, okay, even lower. But the interesting part is this, by the end of the day, it closed somewhere nearby to the level that I mentioned, yeah? So this is pretty interesting because basically a lot of people was like telling me, Kel, how do you expect the market to fall? And I think so good. I said that, well, it is supposed to fall. All right, so I was pretty spot on for the Dow, right? If yes, give me a Dow spot on for me, yeah? Now, of course, the other one that I was looking at was crude oil. Now, I've been telling people that to short crude oil for time being already, although I did say that crude oil will go to $121, but I say it's 6 months' time. And I keep on reminding everybody, I said that no, from now on, sorry, that means about 2 months ago, when crude oil was trading at about $85, I say that crude oil will go down, and I gave the figure is it will go down to below $70. That was my first forecast back then. Then, of course, it's all right. I also, when it came to $70, I said that, okay, if $70 is being done and there's a very big sell-off here, most likely the market will drop another wave later, not immediately. And I did a final computation. I said that the crude oil may drop all the way to $58.20. Now, of course, the question is that when I said that, immediately there was some unhappiness. People say that, Kel, this is a bit too crazy, right? How can the crude oil price drop to such a low level to 58.20? I said that it is all very possible. Now, think a little about this. If let's say now this Omicron virus and that to get the vaccine, it won't be like immediately, because we know that COVID itself, it took about nearly 6 months before the vaccine get ready. So Omicron itself, right, maybe let's say give it the give and take, maybe 2 months or 3 months. So this will affect generally the market. And of course, now we're approaching the winter season, which is a festive season. So obviously itself, right, there will be a constraint to deliver. And because of that itself, right, the market can choose another way, it just stop. And when it stops itself, right, the demand will actually drop. Contrary to what people say is that, oh, because it's festive season, therefore there'll be higher demand. Now, there is one way to look at it, but from the way you can see the market is coming down, you can see it doesn't seem to be going that direction. And of course, we have the White House releasing their strategic reserve, okay, into the market. I can't deny this. Bringing it down to $60 will become a better option, and obviously it will deflate the inflation, and of course it will help the economy in general. So that's why I say that mathematically, technically, and of course fundamentally, there is a good chance for crude oil to go down all the way to 58.20. And of course, crude oil yesterday dropped from $69, dropped all the way down to $64. So it's another $5 drop again. And again, many people who were with us as well were pretty happy because we tell them that the crude oil will be going down, and they shorted the market and they make money. So this is why I say that every morning, kindly pay attention to what I need to share with you. I may not be right in everything, but as long as you get a few good calls, I'm sure you're going to make